This next process involves what happens when we put magnesium into a flame. Let's take a look at what the magnesium looks like to begin with. And as it was before, it is silvery, it is metallic, it is solid, and it is also flexible. In the lab, it asks you to make the magnesium undergo some kind of physical change. Maybe that's something that's occurring right now as we speak. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to light this Bunsen burner, and I'm going to go ahead and put this piece of magnesium into the flame. The magnesium will be held in pincers like this, and we're going to see what happens when it goes into the flame. There's some popping going on, you can hear that. Okay. I'm now going to go ahead and turn the Bunsen burner off. As you can see, something happened to the magnesium. And we're going to focus now on the bench. And you can see what this is the result of what happened to the magnesium when it was put into the flame. Now this here is the piece of magnesium that was caught in the pincers and it was not subjected to the flame. So that's what the magnesium looked like before. It's silvery, it's metallic, and now it's something else. A couple of questions that you're asked in the lab. The first question is, does the product here have more or less energy than what we started with? Well, I'm going to give you a hint here. When it was in the flame, it looked as though it was releasing energy in the form of light and the form of sound. So if it was releasing energy, you've got to ask the question, does this business here contain more or less energy than what we started with? The other question that's asked is, does the product here weigh more or less than what we started with? And what you should probably do is go into the back of the lab manual and look for the process that matches the magnesium going into the flame and burning. And then you can ask the question, does the product weigh more or less than what we started with? So the reaction will give you a big clue as to whether that's the case.